Everything's a distraction. Literally. From your phone to your TV to the newest video game console coming out, everything's a distraction. What you have to realize is they have all these distractions for you to not get to your higher self. Like, it's extremely hard in this day and age to get to your higher self if you're so focused on all these distractions in front of you. Like, for me, nowadays it's so hard to meditate because I'd be on my phone 24/7 for no reason, just to distract myself for no reason. I'd be on Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, and YouTube does count as a social media. And I'd be on that shit 24/7 for no apparent reason. Like, there's no reason for you to be on your phone if you're not like a social media influencer. There's literally no point. You're literally scrolling, seeing other people's pictures and videos for no reason. Like, focus on yourself. Just focus on yourself. Meditate. Get some sun every day. Like, stop focusing on all these distractions. But anyways, what's good, YouTube? Mike here. Today's video, I want to talk about all these distractions that's blocking you from getting to your higher self. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for me and leave a like on today's video for more spiritual videos. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So like I said, everything's a distraction. About like 2.5 weeks ago, school just started again. And it's been so hard to focus on myself when I'm constantly doing essays for school. Like, it's been 2 weeks, I'm already starting an essay in English. Like, this is so annoying, bro. And it's funny, school started, the NBA is in its playoffs, NFL just started. Like, there's so many distractions. It is crazy. And I'm telling you guys right now, do not let those distractions get to you and block you from your higher self. Like, it's almost December 21st. Like, you gotta get on your shit right now. I'm gonna make a separate video on December 21st and what you should do to prepare, but you gotta get to your higher self right now. Like, now is the time. We have 3 months until December 21st. Like, if you're not on your shit by December 21st, man, I don't know what to tell you. To be honest with you, I don't know what to tell you. But now, like, there's so many distractions. Do not let these distractions get to you. Start limiting yourself, going on social media 5 times a day. Like, this is what I'm gonna start doing too, to be honest with you. Because I'm on my phone constantly scrolling for no reason, just to distract myself. Start going on social media 5 times a day. And YouTube does count, like I said. So only go on social media for 5 times in the day. Like, twice in the morning, twice in the evening, and once at nighttime. Like, that's all you need to do. If you're not on social media a lot, and you're not a social media influencer, start limiting yourself to social media because it is a big distraction. And like I said, TV is a big distraction to your higher self too. You shouldn't even be watching TV, to be honest with you, because it really messes up your eyes and your pineal gland. TV is a big distraction. NBA playoffs, it's almost the finals for the NBA. Football just started. A lot of football throughout the week is playing. You also got baseball too, I forgot about baseball, I forgot about hockey. All these sports is a big distraction to your higher self, and you need to start limiting yourself to watching TV. And this is what I'm about to do too, because I love the NBA, I love the NFL. I'm about to start limiting myself to only watching 1 game a day, to be honest with you. And I shouldn't even be watching it because it hurts my eyes. Like, right now, this ring light is hurting my eyes so much, bro. I gotta record these videos for you guys though. And even these new consoles coming out, the Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5 coming out, all these are big distractions. They come out in November. All these are big distractions. And I'm gonna get an Xbox. I'm getting an Xbox, but it's all a big distraction. I'm only getting it because I'm gonna be bored in the winter time. If there's no sun out, I'm not going outside. So the only thing I'm gonna be doing is making YouTube videos, meditating, and playing the Xbox, honestly. Because by then, I'm not really gonna be focused on school. I'm gonna be focused on my higher self, December 21st. But nah, just limit yourself, man, to video games, your phone, everything, man. Everything's a distraction nowadays in 2020, man. Even all this Corona stuff, this Black Lives Matter stuff, it's all a distraction to get to your higher self and to make you at a low vibration. That's all the government wants and all these elites want, is to make you a low vibration. So because they feed off bad energy, they feed off all this negative energy. Because if you're on your root chakra, they're gonna feed off all that bad energy. That's all they want. Stop scrolling on Instagram and Snapchat and all that other stuff, because all of it is negative. It's all to disrupt your energy, your positive energy, your aura. You know, we all have an aura, your positive aura. That's all they're doing, man. And just stop scrolling, just limit yourself, man. That's all I'm saying, is limit yourself. Limit yourself on social media, only going 5 times a day. Don't be scrolling 24 hours in the day. Like, there's no point, honestly. Hey, man, that's all I have for today's video, I guess, because it's only been like 10 minutes recording. I don't know what else to say, man. Just everything's a distraction, bro. It's crazy out here, man. 2020 is getting real, man. It's almost the end of the year. There's a lot of stuff about to go down. We're probably gonna have another lockdown, to be honest with you. They're about to bump up the cases. Who knows, man? We'll see, though. I'm ready, man. It's time to grind, bro. We got 3 months, man. I cannot wait, bro. December 21st, man. Time to lock in our DNA, but nah. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Dude, this bright ass light, man. God damn, nigga. Can a nigga talk? God damn. I'm about to put this at the end of the video, low key, bro, because I be having a lot of bloopers, bro. Oh, God. This light is so bright, bro. If you guys have a ring light, you would know. Oh, my God. This shit is... Hopefully, you guys can still see me. I think we good, bro. Alright. This shit is so funny, bro. From the TV to your phone to the newest video game console coming out. Dog. Oh my god, where am I pointing? I'm pointing out here, nigga. I can't put that. Alright, that.